Hey guys, so if you're interested in learning how to do a zero-based budget, I'm about to show you. This is a spreadsheet that I've created in Google Sheets. It also works in. Hey guys, if you're interested in learning how to do a zero-based budget, I'd love to show you. This is a Google Sheet. It also works in Excel, and this is available at my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. So this is a really simple. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with the income here on the very beginning. Is what your goal is you want to bring in your paycheck. So say we have paycheck 1 and you made 1,500, paycheck 2 you made another, let's say 1,400. What we want to do is allocate all of the items in your budget for each category and have zero remaining in the budget. So you give every dollar a place to go. So you don't want to leave anything out. So we want to get to that in zero. So the total budget right here is going to add up everything in this column I. And the remaining in the budget is everything that adds up from the total income minus your budget, and then that's what is left over. So let's just start out from scratch so you can kind of see what we're going to do. So we've got, all right, so we're starting off here with $2,900 in our budget that's remaining, and then it's saying that it's zero. So we'll start off with rent. So say rent is $1,200. And then say we've got utilities. So let's do utility company. Let's do power bill. Say that's 300. And then we're gonna do food. So we're gonna do the store, groceries. Say that's gonna be 250. So we have 1,150 left to spend. So we have to tell it where to go. Next, we're going to do the health premium. Let's see, health insurance. And then let's going to do the health premium and say that's 500. We have $650 left in our budget. And then let's say we want, let's see, we're going to do our car payment, car store, car payment. And let's say that's $350. We have $300 left. So let's get some clothes. Let's see, clothing store. We need to get fall clothes. Say we spent 100, and then we have just a few dollars left. So let's say we need to get gifts. So let's see, birthday gift. Now let's see, the store. That's the place, and then we're going to do birthday gift. And say we spent 25. All right, and we've got $175 left in our budget. So what we're going to do here is a lot of people try to attack their debt and savings. So let's say we're going to do, let's see, bank savings account, and then let's save $50, and then we're going to throw the rest of it at debt. So this is the credit card company, credit card bill, and then in our budget. So now we're going to get to zero. So that is how to do a zero-based budget. And then as you spend, you can also see, let's see, so if we spent, $1,200, the power bill was $295, groceries $225, healthcare premium was $495, car payment $350. Let's say we spent $75, $25, we saved, and then we have $25. We did $125 for the credit card bill. So at the end, we still have an extra $60 left in the bank afterwards. So essentially, that is how everything works. You can put in your dates here. And then you can see also your expenses by category. If we click on it, you can see, how much do we spend that paycheck. We spend most of our money on rent, a good chunk of it for healthcare, a lot of it for utilities, some in food, and a little bit in debt. So, if you wanted to go back and go, hey, I'm going to not do gifts, I decided to change my mind on that, then you'll have an extra $25 to add towards your bill. And then that way you can really look at that and change up your budget. And if you say you have an extra $60 in your budget, you could possibly add an extra a little bit more to paying off some debt. So that's how it works. This will also add up, your total income and then your total expenses for that period. It'll add up how much you have saved and how much you have paid off towards debt. That's it. It's a really, really simple sheet. You could also duplicate this. So if you wanted to say this is just for January, you could duplicate it and then rename it. So let's do February budget. And then that way we can just highlight everything and then start over. So we're just highlighting everything and hit the delete button. And then that way you have a budget ready to go for February. So if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. This sheet is available at savvyandthriving.com, and you guys have a great